1 cup of barley. Macarot. Chestnut mushroom. Half an onion. Sweet corn. Chicken breast.
Another episode of John Stott Loves Cooking. I haven't been feeling too good, so I thought I'd whip up a big pan of chicken and sweet corn barley soup. Got a cup full of pale barley. I've already soaked them in water and then drained them because I don't want like the broth getting tainted with all of the starch that's in it. I've chopped up 2 large carrots, a tin of sweet corn. It all depends how big the chicken breasts are. I've had to use 4 because they were quite small. I've grated half an onion in it and I've chopped up some mushrooms as well, like a little handful. I've just banged 4 chicken stock cubes, boiling hot water. I suppose you could use vegetable stock as well, but the chicken already in it just makes it better. Doesn't look like much yet, but I always put a bit of salt and black pepper in once it starts simmering, and add a bit of garlic granules as well.
Add your black pepper. Yes, lots of black pepper.
It's looking a bit better already, now that it's being brought to a proper boil. Just going to kill the heat and let it slow simmer for about 2 hours, maybe 3. It's like the barley, it does take a while to cook, but yeah. Right, that's been simmering now for about 2 hours. The barley's perfectly cooked and it's all came together. After the broth's not too thin, it's just a nice consistency. Yeah, if you like what you see so far, don't forget to like and subscribe, helps the channel. Let me know in the comments as well what you want to see me cook next. That doesn't look bad at all. That's the finished article. Looks alright there.
That's the tops.